Hey everyone, welcome back to a very interesting and quick tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove any of the object from images. Yes, you can do that online for free. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for uh, Pixel Pixel Cut AI remove from image. Once you do that, just simply open this first website that appear right in front of you. Uh, and it will ask you to upload the image you have. For example, if I upload, let's say this image. Now here, let's say if I want to remove this particular style, just simply select that thing and hit. Let's change the select that correctly, and once I make the selection right, I just need to hit erase, and that particular part from the image has erased, and it is not even noticeable, so that color code has been removed. And once I'm satisfied with my changes, I just need to hit download, and the things has been downloaded for me. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.